Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's find it. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one, which is on the right. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, actually the red dot, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at the option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got the size and the frames per second. We can choose either FHD, which is currently applied, HD or UHD, it's up to you. Simply tap on the option, and if you can, as you can see, it is highlighted. What is more, it is notified here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.